Understanding the phrase, sluggish, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the word sluggish. We'll dive into its meanings, usage, and provide some examples to help you understand how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. Sluggish is an adjective that describes something that is moving slowly or lacking in energy. When we say that something is sluggish, we mean that it's not performing at its usual or expected speed or efficiency. This word can be used in various contexts, from describing a person's physical or mental state to talking about the economy or a machine's performance. Examples: after a long day at work, Mary felt sluggish and just wanted to relax on the couch. The computer is running sluggish today, it might need a reboot. Now that we understand what sluggish means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. Remember, since sluggish is an adjective, it is used to describe nouns. Examples: the sluggish snail took hours to cross the small garden. Due to the sluggish economy, many people are finding it hard to get a job. After the surgery, the patient felt sluggish and tired for several days. To expand your vocabulary, it's helpful to know some synonyms and antonyms of sluggish. Synonyms: slow, lethargic, drowsy, torpid. Antonyms: energetic, lively, quick, active. Understanding these synonyms and antonyms can help you better express yourself and understand the nuances of different words. And that wraps up our discussion on the word sluggish. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in expanding your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice using new words in your conversations to help them stick. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.